Crown Wealth Trading Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sales, and cable attachments, pipe clamps and hangers, protective equipment, wood connectors, construction hardware. We are located in Shijiazhuang, Hebei, with convenient transportation access. We are dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. The professional technicians and experienced staffs enable us to analyze customer requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In recent years, our company has introduced a series of advanced equipment, including automatic punching machine, laser cutting machine, automatic welding machine, and plastic injection machine. Both the efficiency and product quality are improved. With all the facilities, we are able to deal with many production processes, including pressing, cutting, bending, welding, molding, painting, and coating. In addition, we have obtained CE certificate, while the ETA certificate, UL certificate, and FM certificate are also in progress. Our products are exported to clients in worldwide countries and regions, such as Europe, America, Middle East, and Australia. We have strong R&D capability and highly welcome OEM and ODM orders. You can select current products from our catalogs or seek direct assistance from our engineers for customized products. You only need to provide ideas or drawings. We are committed to realize it. Our slogan is, superior quality we provide, reliable company we are, delighted cooperation we do.